Are you looking for continental level of luxury and comfort without compromising reliability? Then I got a perfect car for you. Let's check it out. Introducing Lexus ES300 Hybrid Executive Spec with sunroof. This car is beautiful, it is in good condition, it is smooth and even fuel economical. Look at this from behind, very beautiful. I like this very nice, classy boot lip spoiler. And let me tell you guys, Lexus puts its German counterparts to shame with its level of comfort and features. Just look at the amount of room for your rear passenger. This is much bigger than a Mercedes E-Class or a BMW 5 Series. Look, the leather is all very soft and beautiful. Of course, we have rear passenger aircon and even privacy curtains here and here. And another cool thing, let me show you this. Over here, we have controls for your aircon, your infotainment system also, and a little bit of storage to store your things. All right? And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful, spacious, well designed and luxurious cabin. First things first, look at this steering wheel. This is one of the nicest steering wheels I ever put my hands on. This is laminated wood, this is leather, beautifully stitched, very nice to hold. Of course, it's multifunctional as well. Look at the seats, they are very comfortable. They are fully electric, come with electric lumbar support as well. And moreover, look at this. These seats are air cooled. Once I switch this, aircon will start blowing from the seat. How cool is that? Most of the S-Class Mercedes-Benz you see on the road don't even come with this function. This is ultra cool. Alright? Also, this is your infotainment system. Have a look at all this beautiful stitching on the cabin. This is really very nice, very premium. What I really like is this clock. Very classy. Very nice. Of course, your aircon controls are here. Over here, you select different drive mode selection, economy, normal, and sport. Over here, this is controller for your infotainment system, and it's designed very comfortably as well. You rest your wrist here, and you control here. Very nice. And your elbow is here, also very comfortable. Of course, this is nicely padded, and additional storage over here. Over here, we have a nicely concealed cup holder, and another cup holder over here as well. This is your gear selector with a beautiful leather boot with brown stitching. Very nice. Alright? And of course, sunroof, guys. Very beautiful. Alright? So, have another look. Alright guys, so on COE, this car still got 3 years and 4 months left. Plenty of time for you to enjoy. In terms of depreciation, 19,000 plus. Lowest in the market for this level of luxury. This is really such a steal. Alright, another thing I want to know, the condition of this car is absolutely unbelievable. I mean, you've seen all this leather. It's almost as good as new. Alright, so you're looking for comfort, luxury, fuel economy, without compromising reliability. You all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.